Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to invest with a small amount. You just need 3,000 per month to start your small investment journey to big goals. Okay, let's go and see how I invest 3,000 per month as a beginner. Most people believe you need a lot of money to start investing, but that is not true. I started my investment journey with just 3,000 per month. In this video, I will share my simple beginner investment strategy. My goal is not to get rich quickly. My goal is to build wealth slowly and consistently. Let me explain how I divide my monthly investment. First, I invest around 50% into mutual funds. This part is meant for long-term goals such as financial security and future wealth creation. Mutual funds allow beginners to invest in the stock market without picking individual stocks. Next, I allocate about 20% into gold and silver. These assets help protect my money from inflation and market uncertainty. Then I keep nearly 15% in an emergency fund. This money is only for unexpected expenses and gives me peace of mind. Finally, I invest a small portion into cryptocurrency. Crypto is high risk, so I keep this allocation limited and never overexpose myself. Main point in crypto: the total invested amount should be less than $1,500 in a year. For short-term goals, like buying a bike within 3 years, use a combination of a hybrid fund and a flexi-cap fund. This gives you both stability and growth potential. And finally, this is the allocation percentage and amount, so screenshot it and use this for investments. Choose funds like index and flexi-cap funds so it is diversified, and don't go for small-cap funds if your goal is short-term. Do this and start your investments with small capital, and after your income grows, increase the amount. This is for educational purposes only, not an investment call to buy. Do subscribe, like, and share this video, and I'll see you in the next video. If you don't know how to start or where to start, comment on this video. I will upload a video for that.